Hey there, guys. This is Chief Meteorologist Ben Pine in the WHAS 11 News First Alert Storm Team Weather Center. On this first day of winter, we're going to talk about some winter-like weather heading our way very soon for Christmas Eve and Christmas Day. And this is what this blog post is all about. So here is a look at the snow potential for early Christmas Eve. We're going to have a polar front moving through early Thursday. So a lot of this is going to be happening during the pre-dawn hours before sunrise Thursday morning or Christmas Eve. And notice the European weather model and the GFS weather model are both calling for a switchover from rain to a brief period of some light snow. At this time, it looks like little to no accumulation. There might be a little coating, a little dusting of snow in some areas. We're going to take a look at some higher resolution data right here as we go to Futurecast hour by hour. So for tonight, just chilly and dry, lows in the 30s. Quiet and cool for Tuesday with some sunshine and highs in the 40s. And then as we go into Wednesday, it's actually going to be our warmest day, a nice warm flow out ahead of that front. And let me back that up. We just kind of zip right through that. So here is Wednesday afternoon, well into the 50s. So that southerly surge out ahead of that polar front. So then we start to get that rain late in the day Wednesday evening. That's at around 8 to 9 p.m. Wednesday. And then notice that cold air rushing in, trying to catch up to the moisture that's leaving behind that front. So that's the big question, is how much moisture is left over for that cold air to catch up and turn it over to a period of snow. So that's what we're going to be watching here. But it does look like here's going into Christmas Eve morning, this is around midnight, that those temperatures definitely dropping. And there is that chance for that brief period of snow during the overnight. And then notice by around sunrise, a lot of that snow is leaving us already and leaving us with bitterly cold temperatures as well for Christmas Eve and Christmas Day, Thursday and Friday. Snowfall total from one of our weather models here. This is the RPM weather model showing about an inch or less in most locations. Now, there's going to be some melting going on. And so at this point in time, this is not a big snowmaker. Typically, we need a clipper system that's all snow to maybe get 1 to 3 inches of snow, or we need a system coming up from the southwest that the center of it's just south of us, and we get a lot of cold air connection to that system. But this different scenario, it's just a front moving through, and you're just hoping some of that cold air will catch up. So this is not a scenario that usually gives us a bunch of snow. So with that said, again, little to no accumulation expected for Christmas Eve, but the guarantee for this, definitely winter-like temperatures. Take a look here. We go from the 50s Wednesday, and then those temperatures just drop off, and we're looking at wind chills in the single digits and teens for Christmas Day. Those winds are going to be blowing maybe 20 or 40 miles per hour Christmas Day, and that is obviously a big impact when you have high temperatures in the 20s. We're going to have some wicked wind chills to deal with, no doubt about that. High confidence in that polar air on the way, but a low confidence in very much accumulation. So right now, very little snow, but at least there might be a few flakes flying out there for very early Christmas Eve.